achieve these new supersonic speeds, the Rhino's engines together produce more than 60,000 horsepower, the equivalent of 60 Formula One cars with 230 Toyota Taragos. So get ready with those earplugs and keep your eyes peeled because they are descending into the Gold Coast.
Did I say the left?
Didn't say anything.
What's that?
You're going to sneak up on us again, aren't you, Hicksy? We love the sneaky little pass and the high-speed entries. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you look into the distance, eyes left for the F-A-18F Super Hornet high-speed entry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you give them a big wave as they come past here at Surface Paradise. Right, as they launch into the sky, the crew's now washing off. Reversal in the opposite direction. Small flares there from Wagons in the back seat, a weapon systems officer. Look like a swing.
Well, we got the C-17 here feeling good today. A big, big airplane that likes to have a lot of fun long walks on the beach at sunset. This thing is a massive machine. Listen to it. I got you loud and clear. Coming on by around here, check this out. Hear that throttle just right on the edge there. Sure. Here it comes. Got the throttles all the way up on this one. Watch it, Goldie.
That should be our third and final pass. Might be able to get them to wave back.
Let's
see.
The whole beach here. Yeah, look at this. We got a kids race going. They're running. Who's going to win, the C-17 or the kids? I don't know. This is going to be close. Goldie, what do you think? She's taking the lead, and I'm talking about the kid, the C-17. Oh my gosh. Well, I got to tell you, the C-17 crew, you lost the race. The young girl won.
Right now, the aircraft is in airplane mode, flying 240 knots, 500 feet over the ground. It'll continue with this speed until it comes around for a 60-degree angle of bank turn. And on this side, we get to see the beautiful tail marks flying the endless summer. Thank you. If you can find her on Instagram at FlyGirlTank.
We got the right one now.
You got all the good views.
Just like this, because it's fun to watch the people dance along with you.
Oh yeah, this is great. I always say that.
F-35s, ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of our friends at the Hawaii Raptors in their native environment. F-22s, two of them, C-135. In the native environment, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing something seldom seen. In the refueling configuration, these two airplanes, some of the most modern fighters in the universe, here for you right now at Pacific Air Show Gold Coast. Australia, my voice may not sound like yours, but I am here to tell you that all of my friends and family back home in the United States of America, friends that you are, friends that we know truly have our backs, and we certainly going to be the moment you've all been waiting for. We're going to bring the music down because we did when the Mustang flew over. Watch now, listen in closely because here they come, your very own F-22s patrolling the Pacific with an unrestricted flight. Ready? Ready, Goldie? Let's line them up. Maybe. Really? Let's see what they bring this time, Goldie. Oh, here we go. Don't tell the boss. Watch him now.
Take a look, here comes the Royal Australian Air Force F-35A Lightning II. As you would have seen fighting there into a loaded roll. Cutting is now accelerating the jet to 400 knots or around 740 kilometers per hour. It'll be rolling that jet upside down to fly past inverted. On their roller as well. Going up to 90 degrees, the hot too. Philip Eldridge, was KP our pilot, and all the aviators at 2OCU who worked hard to get this aircraft ready for today. We'd like to say thank you for joining us and checking out the capabilities of the Royal Australian Air Force F-35 Lightning II. Don't forget to drop into the Defence Precinct, have a chat with the ADF Cruise team. You think flying one of these marked was something you'd like to do? Here we are with the vertical departure, ladies and gentlemen.